Yo, what's up guys? So today we have a pretty special shoe to unbox. We have a DIOR shoe. It is the DIOR B30 in the most popular black and white colorway. So yeah, let's get into it because I'm actually excited to open these. Alright, so opening the box, we got this beautiful shoe right here. Wow. I'll just set this box aside for now and I'll show you guys the shoe. Okay, so this is the shoe right here. It's really just black, white, and a little bit of gray. So we got CD, stands for Christian Dior, on the side, as well as the Dior name right there, and then just like a pretty nice design throughout. This CD is actually reflective. I'm not sure if you could see it on the camera, but it is. So on the tongue we got DIOR B30 with these beautiful laces, and the toe box mesh, the mesh toe box. Not sure what this material is though. It's like kind of weird. I've never had this material on a shoe before. But yeah, basically same thing on the other side, just besides the DIOR logo right here. And on the back we got another CD for Christian Dior. This also does reflect, but again, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Same with like these lines. I'm pretty sure these reflect too, but again, I don't think you can see it on camera. Inside we got the DIOR logo right there, and on the bottom we got CD again. We got the DIOR name, and we got B30, which is the version and made in Italy. I'll just show you guys it high quality. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now let's get into the actual stuff inside the box, because I believe that's equally as exciting as seeing the shoe and what's in the box, because the box actually comes with a lot of stuff. So I'll show you that right now. Okay, so in the box we got a DIOR dust bag. It's pretty wrinkled up for some reason, but yeah, it just says DIOR on it. Nothing really else. It's not really anything special, but yeah. Then inside of here we just got some extra laces if you want to, like, I don't know, double lace your shoes. I don't really know what you're supposed to do with the laces, but I mean, I guess you get extra for some reason, I don't know. Inside of here we got DIOR, and actually I guess that is it. But I just remember I had a DIOR shoe before. I'm not sure if you saw it. It was unboxing the DIOR B22s. It did come with a lot more stuff. I'm not sure why this one didn't come with much, but yeah, so sorry about that. But it also did come with a bag, DIOR bag. Pretty cool if you want to use it. But yeah, alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.